Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice auger and the crusher assembly in the Amana refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to use a 1/4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice auger and crusher assembly. The ice auger and crusher assembly is mounted inside the ice bin. Driven by the motor, the auger moves the ice cubes forward into the crusher, where they are crushed or dispensed uncrushed, depending on your demand. If ice cubes are not getting crushed or dispensed, but you can hear the auger motor is running, the ice auger and crusher assembly should be checked and replaced if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. Now we're going to pull out the ice bin. Alright, so this is our ice bin assembly, and we're going to start with turning it over, and we're going to take off this front panel. I'm going to lift up on these two tabs and pull it off. And we can free this front frame, put it aside. We're obviously going to reuse it. Right now, I'm going to take this 2 1/4-inch screws. I'm using a nut driver. We're going to lift up this metal plate, and we're going to remove this ice auger and crusher assembly. This is the old ice auger and crusher assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So we're going to install this ice auger and crusher assembly in, but first we need to remove this tape which holds that plastic cover to the metal plate. And now slide in the coupling into the opening and put it down. Then the tops here, to place that metal plate over the 2 tabs here. And I'm going to turn it up, and we're going to install 2 1/4-inch screws here. I'm going to use the nut driver. I'm going to put it down, and we're going to install this front panel. Slide the top on first. And then we're going to press the bottom tabs here. And now we can lock that. Ready to go back into the freezer. Before installing the ice bucket in, I would like you to pay attention to the position of these 2 pedals on the coupling and a yoke at the back. So we need to turn it so they won't interfere with each other. I'm going to put it vertical, and now we can slide it in. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.